information and tools at our fingertips are right there for no budget at all to start going finding motivated sellers and making a ton of money. The truth is, when you combine these niche data sources with AI to analyze your deals, there's no way you don't make $20,000 or $30,000 a month. And if you can't do it, you're frankly just being lazy. So what today I want to do is show you exactly how to go to the government sources and find the data, use AI to organize the data, get it skip traced, so you can go out here and start deal finding in wholesaling real estate. You see, in 2026, everybody thinks the only way for you to start getting deals is to pull a list of like 12,000 motivated sellers and just start cold calling them till you start hating your life and calling 14, 15, 20,000 people to start getting a deal, when that's just frankly not the case anymore. There's so many ways to get these niched out data sets that you could start using for success in wholesaling real estate. But before I break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So to demonstrate how easy it is, I'm currently in the Indian River County official record search. So if I go back here, quick Google search Indian River County Clerk of the Court, I went here. All public data, by the way. And I just went to official record search, and roughly a quarter of every market in America, you can do this. It's pretty easy. And what you're going to do is just go to document, press accept. And we're going to do like basically the past week, all the records. And we're going to just go by document category, and we start pulling any data set we want. Now, I personally love XLeads. XLeads is the best wholesaling software. Go pull list, go crazy. But the thing is, XLeads, just like any other wholesaling real estate software, is going to be about 1, 2, even 3 weeks behind of the official court record data, because all these big wholesaling software companies get their data from big national data companies. So to get in front of everybody, what we're going to do is just go straight to the source and get that data, then put it inside of XLeads. So the cool part about this is all this data is available right here. So you have your affidavits, you have your assignments, your certifications, court papers, right? But the first one I'm going to tell everyone is just judgments. Judgments is a great record. Press submit. So right here we have Space Coast Credit Union. On this individual has a judgment. And if I click on the data set right here, you can look at this court record here, and it's showing that this guy, which is listed here, has an looks like a $19,000 judgment at an 8% interest rate. And they have his address here on 5th Place in Vero Beach. So what I can do here is go pop up that property. If I cross-reference it on XLeads, let's put the address in here, 633 in Vero Beach. Let's see if the guy owns the house. So his name is Brian, and the owner of the property is Brian. So this guy right here owns the property, and he has a $19,000 judgment on his house. So this is the right person to be going after him. And they just issued this judgment. So this is a great person to reach out to as a motivated seller. Now, the really cool part is you don't have to individually go after every single one of these properties. And if you want to go after ones that have legal descriptions right here, like for example, let's just go look at a newer one. This one just got filed, looks like today. Go back out here. We get like this one right here. This is a family judgment. There's no info, but there's a legal description of the property right here, which we can use, and we can reach out to these sellers. Now, most of these softwares, you can just press export, and you can export this data set into a CSV and just drop it in here and say, organize this data set. So to skip trace. And you're taking all of these court records right here and you're throwing it into a nice skip traceable format, or a format where at least I can throw that name in there and skip trace it on XLeads to start getting some deals. Now, of course, this might take a little more effort if I'm going to cross-reference it, see if this person owns the property, copy and paste, but you can literally copy, click on the record, see the name, throw in XLeads, add the lead into it from there. Now, I know this is a lot more work than just pulling a vacant property list, but 1 out of like 500, 1 out of 600 of these are actually going to be a deal. We have the skip tracing already done for you inside of XLeads. Now, another cool part is if you have no money, you can go to like cyberbackgroundchecks.com, get their name and number right here, and you're going to have a ton of success. Now, right there is just judgments, right? You can do list pendants. These are all the pre-foreclosures. For example, this mortgage corporation right here has a document link with this mortgage. So it's looking like this Jorge person, and Freedom Mortgage is a list pendants pre-foreclosure. So it looks like they're foreclosing on this person right here. So if I click on the document link right here, which is associated, like for example, right here, this mortgage company is trying to get this property back right here, which is the official info. You might be like, well, I don't even know exactly what the address on this one. We just go to the document link here and it links up to the last one. It looks like this property on Seminole Shores Lane is currently in a pre-foreclosure. So you can go take this property address right here, screenshot this, throw it in a ChatGPT and have it make a CSV for you to go skip trace it in a street address, city, state, zip, area code. And you don't need to go call 10,000 properties. Just pull like 300 or 400 of these, text them, call them, and you're going to get a ton of deals right here. Now to make it even easier for you, you can go back to your search results. The first one I would be doing is by far the probates. I think the probates are the best ones. And right here, all the current probates going on. And this is going to give you the best results. I'm telling you right now. So for example, this is the most recent probate which happened a couple days ago. And there's going to be no info. It's just like, oh my gosh, this sucks, right? It's actually good. Less info, the better. But what you want to do is look at the legal description here and then find exactly where the legal description's at. So you click on something like this and you're going to find that this legal description is exactly where the probate's happening. So all I'm going to do is just copy that and I can throw in the property appraiser. But what Indian River does, which makes my life a lot easier, do you see where it says the parcel number? I click that, it pops up the property appraiser information. And you can see right here that this person unfortunately passed away and they're trying to inherit the property. So all I can do is got all the info right now, right here. So all I'm going to do is just take this address right here, copy it, throw it into xleads.com and boom, I got all the info on this probate. Now it's really important is you can take all this data and export it. And so you can exclude like all MLS properties and stuff like that. You can even throw it into cyberbackgroundchecks.com and we can even look up the owner on record here and you get all their info that you possibly want. So you just have like a treasure trove of like unlimited data sets to start making a ton of money here in wholesaling. Like it's never been this easy. You just pull the data, use the free website, start making a ton of money. And if you want to do it like in bulk, you can export the data, throw in AI, get some bulk skip tracing at like xleads.com, start comping the properties and start text blasting them. So I think pulling this data set and just text blasting on xleads is going to be the easiest one for you to be doing. But it's really that simple to start pulling the government data sets. For example, here, this is Orlando, their county. This is the Orange County Open Violation Search. And not a lot of people know you can do this, but you can literally just click here and a CSV just got added on my account of all open code violations. So all I need to do is just throw all the open code violations in Orlando, say organize this data set for skip tracing and give me the top 100 properties you think that will be a killer wholesaling real estate deal. And I can throw that sucker in there and you're gonna let the AI analyze all the code violations right now. Pop it right here. And you can see here, these are all open code violation records. And it has the date of even today where all the code violations literally pop up right here. And you can sort them by junk cars, zoning, lot cleaning, housing. That's disgusting. And they literally just give you the actual address. So they make it so easy. Throw that sucker into AI, throw them into xleads, True People Search Cyber Background Checks, get the data, start getting deals. I mean, 1 out of 600 code violations is going to be a deal. And it's just better to pull this data, upload it into xleads than try to pull a vacant property list. Now, I love having AI score everything for me because it just kind of does all the work for me. And that's the easiest way to start getting deals too. Right here, the AI analyzes all the deals and it pops up the top 100 and organizes all the data. If you pop it up here, you got the parcel ID numbers and they're all ranked right here. Beautifully done for us. See if there's liens on the property or not, which is awesome. Now, one of my favorite things you can do that nobody's going to tell you is you can pull the lien data, the judgments, list pendants, and then add the code violations and stack the addresses together once you get all the data organized and just go after those super stacked properties. So guys, this has been a eye-opening video for you, I hope, of how easy it is to win. Pull the government data, organize it correctly, skip trace it on True People Search, Cyber Background Checks, even xleads.com, and start calling the niche data first, especially if you're somebody who hasn't made 100K this year in wholesaling real estate. This is all you should be doing. Taking that data, throw it into xleads dialer, the CRM, the text blasting software we have, and just start attacking these leads like crazy. 600 leads to call in a month is child's play compared to what everyone's expecting you to call these tens of thousands of leads. Your competition's not doing this. Most people aren't going after the government data. This is your key to success. Guys, if you want to start going after it, do me a favor, go to my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com. I have an entire spreadsheet of how you can pull all this government data. It's literally right here under our government list section in freewholesaling.com. You can start pulling government data from all these areas that I give you exactly where they're at, absolutely for free. And if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.